right, time to have some midweek birthdays this morning, and we are beginning. Now, this is the list. I wish you guys could actually see the list. You'll see it on your TV, but I mean the actual paper we have. This is a good list. This is what we're talking about when we say we want your birthdays and anniversaries. We begin in St. Paul with Connor Beechner celebrating birthday number 6. Connor, a very happy birthday to you today.
And then up in Fort Scott, also turning 6 years old, Mason Metcalf is celebrating. Great picture there of Mason with love from Mom, Dad, and Emma.
And we've got Penelope Tush turning 9 in Savonburg, Kansas, and her birthday was on Monday. Penelope, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and from Erie, Kansas, Caleb Yarnell celebrating birthday number 10. What a catch there. This picture was taken at Roaring River over the summer. Happy birthday, Caleb.
And we've got Lucas Kimek turning 13 in Girard. Lucas, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, Brenna Armstrong celebrating number 15 this year in Shell City.
All right, and we continue with Ava Rose Wright celebrating birthday number 15 in Webb City. And this comes with love from Popeye, Mimi, Anthony, Come, and Ryclea.
All right, and with love from the whole family in Sarcoxie, Matthew Myers celebrating birthday number 25 this year.
All right, we continue with Philip Underwood celebrating birthday number 26 in McCune. Philip, a very happy birthday to you.
Trent Wade turning 31 years old this year. Happy birthday, Trent.
And we've got Cindy King celebrating birthday number 68 in Chanute.
All right, also in Chanute, turning 68. All right, Debbie Kiddo, happy birthday to you.
And we've got Frida Kite celebrating birthday number 88 in Carthage. Happy birthday, Frida.
Randy Robeson in Columbus, happy birthday.
And we've got Kathy Triber in St. Paul celebrating a birthday. A very happy birthday to you.
All right, and Nate and Kate Thomas are celebrating 3 years of wedded bliss. Congratulations to the Thomases in Columbus.
And we've got another anniversary. Troy and Robin Carson celebrating number 20 just to the north in Pittsburgh. A happy anniversary to the Carsons.
And our very own Bill Vickery, Director of Engineering here at KOAM and pretty much a jack of all trades. Mr. Vickery, happy birthday.
He is one of the many people that helps keep us on the air. He handles all of our projects, and there's really not much he doesn't know or can't do. Well, believe it or not, this list continues. Marie Bryant celebrating birthday number 90 in Chanute, and Steve and Janet Bacon celebrating their 48th anniversary in Pittsburgh. There were so many birthdays and photos in today's list, and that's the kind of list we love. And if you want to help us grow our birthday list and help your loved ones celebrate, Tanya can tell you how you can do that.
All you have to do is send us a simple email to birthdays@komtv.com or birthdays@komnewsnow.com. Be sure to include the name, age, if you'd like, and hometown, and also that picture. We love seeing the photos.
We love having pictures in there. It just makes our day. And you know what you need to do additionally is go to our website at komnewsnow.com, where you can sign up for, you know what, the KOAM Birthday Club. And you know what happens when you do? You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a cool birthday message from your friends right here at KOAM TV. So make sure you go to komnewsnow.com, sign up for that.